guys, welcome to my channel. This is Fatima Dhafrani, Professor of English and Communication Skills. So this video is about how to convert your communication from GB to KB. Now you might be wondering, what am I speaking of? To convert communication from GB to KB? What's that? I'll tell you what it is. Along with that, I'll give you a few tips to improve your communication skill. So let's begin. So what is communication? Communication is a process which involves thoughts, ideas, feelings, emotions, and all. Whenever we have conversation with the people, we share what is going on in our mind, what thoughts we are having, or what feelings and emotions we are having. So all this is a part of communication. You know that our human mind works actively without taking rest. There is a continuous flow of thoughts and ideas in our brain. Now these thoughts are like these spiders web. It goes round and round and round and you get lost into it, right? But whenever you are asked to speak, can you put forward all the thoughts that are going on in your mind? No, right? Because if you start bringing in your thoughts, whatever is running in your mind, then you will go and go and go without letting other people speak. So there is a chain of thoughts in our mind which is never ending. So it is mandatory for us to speak whatever we are asked to and not put forward whatever is running in your mind. Okay. So through this, we come to the first point of how to improve your communication skill, which is being concise in your communication. Now, what does concise mean? Concise means to put forward your points in limited words, speaking directly and straight to the point. Clear? So, whenever you are communicating, remember this in your mind that you have to be concise in your communication. हमें बात को घुमा फिरा के लोगों को नहीं बोलना. You have to be direct as much as possible. Why? Because firstly, it saves time, it saves your energy, and it shows that how well you can communicate by using limited words only. So these are the benefits of being concise in your communication. Also, people won't be bored by listening to you because you are being concise in your communication. Clear? So whenever you are speaking, try to speak using limited words, using limited phrases, and the exact message is delivered which you wanted to. Clear? Moving forward, now as I said that there is a continuous flow of thoughts and ideas and emotions in our mind. Now, where does these thoughts and ideas come from? Do you know? Well, they come from the memories, experience, and learnings which we get in our life, as they all are connected with each other. And all these memories, learnings, and experiences makes a bulk data in our brain. You know that when there is a bulk data, when it gets out of limit, we get trouble in transferring the same. You know that there comes the limitation of transferring the file or the document in Gmail, WhatsApp, and etc. And because of that, you need to compress those bulk size into the smaller one. You need to compress the GB to KB to MB, right? But whenever you compress the file, you need to make sure that the file or the document is clearly visible and the quality is maintained and doesn't get blurred or something like that. Clear? So through this, we come to our second point of how to improve your communication skill, and which is being clear in your communication. To improve your communication, you need to learn that how to clearly express your ideas, your thoughts, and how to clearly convey your message. If you fail to do so, you will be unable to deliver your intended message. Because whenever you are getting into communication, it might happen that whatever message you are trying to intend may get interpreted by the receiver in a completely different way. So to avoid getting your message interpreted in another way, you need to make sure that you are communicating clearly. You must avoid bringing in confusion or ambiguity in your communication. Along with clarity, conciseness is also correlated over here. You know how? Because we are reducing the size of file, right? We are compressing the GB to KB or from KB to MB, and we are making sure that the file is clear enough and it gets concise. हमारे दिमाग में इतने सारे ख्याल होते हैं, राइट? इतने सारे थॉट्स, इतने सारे आइडियाज होते हैं. अब वो सारे के सारे आइडियाज हम किसी के सामने नहीं रख सकते, क्योंकि आप वहां पे स्पीच नहीं दे रहे हो, और या फिर स्टोरी नहीं बता रहे हो, या फिर कोई एक लंबा सा ब्लॉग या आर्टिकल नहीं लिख रहे हो. So whenever you are getting into communication, जब भी आप किसी से बात कर रहे हो, So it is really important for you to be clear and concise कि जो भी आप बोल रहे हो वो एकदम क्लियर होना चाहिए और कंसाइज होना चाहिए, मतलब कम शब्दों में आपका मैसेज डिलीवर हो जाना चाहिए सामने वाले को कि आप बोलना क्या चाह रहे हो वो समझ में आ जाना चाहिए। कोई भी बात को घुमा फिरा के एकदम लंबा चौड़ा करके बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है। यू हैव टू बी कंसाइज इनफ। ओके, so if you excel these two skills, the first one is clarity and the second one is conciseness, then you can improve your communication without any doubts. So keep these two aspects in your mind, and I'll see you in the next video where I'll be sharing more tips about communication skills. And then if this video is helpful to you, then don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.